Alright, so this ignition lock cylinder always had a little bit of a problem since I got the car, but I was way out in the mountains in Idaho and it wasn't starting. I was like, oh crap. It wasn't turning. I was in McCall, Idaho. And there's like 3 feet of snow on the ground still. But luckily I got it to turn. So see, now it's working because anyway, I went and I got a new one. I had to order this one online because I went to an auto parts store there. Yeah, they had one, but it cost, I think, more than this one, and it had a separate key, and I didn't want to do that. I wanted to use the same key. I don't want to have 2 sets of keys. So this one actually, you can program it to fit your key, so you just follow the directions on it. But this, you have to get it to the on position here. Oh, but you got to take those plastic things off with one of these. I don't remember which size it is, but I had to go get this set from Harbor Freight, just for this. So there's a button in here you got to push, and it'll wiggle that. Hold on. Maybe. There we go. And then you put the new one in. Go. Now it works, no problems.